The Looban Construction Workshop College, a Chinese vocational workshop program training talents overseas, was inaugurated in Cambodia's southeastern province of Kendal on Wednesday. The workshop was jointly established by China's Jiangsu Vocational Institute of Architectural Technology, the China State Construction Engineering Corporation, and the Cambodia Airport Investment Company. Han Amatak, a Cambodian instructor at the Looban Construction Workshop College, said fresh graduates or students at various schools in the Southeast Asian nation would be selected for study at the workshop.
ការជំនួយនេះគឺដើម្បីជួយឲ្យប្រទេសខ្មែរយើងមាននិស្សិតដែលអាចយល់ច្បាស់ពីចំណេះដឹងផ្នែកវិស្វកម្មគឺថាវាជាឱកាសល្អមែនទែនសម្រាប់និស្សិតកម្ពុជាយើងដែលគាត់អាចមានឱកាសរៀនសូត្របានច្រើនពីបច្ចេកទេសរបស់ចិនហើយសាលាវិទ្យាល័យគាត់មករៀនផ្ទាល់អញ្ចឹងហើយនៅនិស្សិតដែលមានសមត្ថភាពខ្លាំងគាត់អាចទទួលបានហាវិករទៅរៀននៅចិនបន្ថែមទៀត
The Looban Construction Workshop College is named after Looban, an ancient Chinese craftsman that represents the Chinese tradition of craftsmanship spirit.